Position Analysis Questionnaire or PAQ is a method of job analysis questionnaire that evaluates job skill level and basic characteristics of applicants for a set match of employment opportunity. The Position Analysis Questionnaire has been developed at Purdue University by McCormick, E.J., and Jeanneret, and Mechame in 1972. The Position Analysis Questionnaire involves a series of detailed questioning to produce many analysis reports. This method is high in use within industrial and organizational psychology, also individual psychological assessment. The Human Resource Department or any individual trained in job analysis take part in PAQ. Purpose of PAQ: the PAQ was developed with the hope that it could be used with a minimum of training on the part of the individual who uses it in analyzing a job. Compared to many other methods in job analysis, PAQ has been created to be more effective, becoming easy to use for human resource and trainees. They are less time-consuming to conduct and inexpensive. This questionnaire's purpose is to further define the duties and responsibilities of a position in order to determine the appropriateness of the position classification, essential functions, and/or whether or not the position is exempt from overtime. Position Analysis Questionnaire contains 194 items called job elements, and consists of 6 different divisions: 1. Information input, 2. Mental processes, 3. Work output, 4. Relationships with other persons, 5. Job context, 6. Job-related variables. Advantages and disadvantages. The Position Analysis Questionnaire is inexpensive and takes little time conduct. It is one of the most standardized job analysis methods. It has levels of reliability. Its position can be compared through computer analysis. PAQ elements apply to a various number of jobs across the board, as diverged with job assignments. Position Analysis Questionnaire can be used for individuals repairing automobile generators, serving food to patrons in a restaurant, taking samples of blood from patients, or with worker characteristics: general learning ability, verbal aptitude, numerical aptitude, manual dexterity, stamina and reaction time. PAQ used simple wording and less complex questions to apply to the various of jobs it can attract through the method. Through exceptional research, PAQ has been shown to be an easier and effective method for human resource and other departments for hiring process. In 1975, Cartwright criticized the position analysis through extensive research, stating it is not possible one method to be used to differentiate and classify equally all conceivable occupations. Other findings stated, the PAQ has been written in the college level while the incumbents had the education of 10th to 12th grade level. In addition, the PAQ has been developed for all jobs but has been shown that it is limited to 194 jobs and 6 dimensions. PAQ revision: the 3 basic steps to conduct a position analysis questionnaire. 1. Human resources and other staff attend a PAQ job analysis training course. PAQ questionnaires are filled out by trained professionals, not job incumbents. 2. Trained PAQ job analysts then use the position analysis questionnaire to analyze selected jobs. 3. The PAQ questionnaires are submitted to PAQ for scoring, with the results then used to analyze by human resource or other trained managers. Patrick and Moore have revised the PAQ and developed a couple of changes, which is called Job Structure Profile. JSP included item content style and new items to increase the NT is very discriminatory of the decision-making dimension. This method is designed to be used more by job analyst than by that job incumbent. Another alternative to the position analysis because questionnaire was developed by Cornelius and Haeckel in 1978, called Job Element Inventory (JEI), and it is very similar to the tradition PAQ, but it is constructed to be easier to how to read for both incumbent, job analyst, and applicants. References. See also, Job Analysis, Industrial and Organizational Psychology, Human Resource.